Another day, another story. Video title: How to sell your house for top dollar. Tips from a real estate pro. Video description: If you're planning to sell your house, you're probably wondering how to get top dollar for it. The good news is, there are some insider tips that can help you sell your house for more money. In this video, we'll show you how to make your house irresistible to buyers and get them to pay top dollar. We'll cover everything from curb appeal and staging to pricing and negotiation. Whether you're a first-time seller or an experienced real estate investor, you'll learn valuable tips to help you sell your house for top dollar. 5 keywords. Real estate. Selling a house. Top dollar. Tips for selling. Negotiation. Intro. Hello and welcome to our video on how to sell your house for top dollar. In this video, we'll be sharing insider tips from a real estate professional to help you get the most money possible from the sale of your house. Whether you're a first-time seller or have sold homes before, you'll learn valuable tips to help you make the most of your sale. So let's get started. Voiceover. Selling your house can be a stressful experience, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of preparation and some insider tips, you can get top dollar for your home and make the process as smooth as possible. Here are some tips to help you sell your house for more money. H2, curb appeal. H3, first impressions are everything, and that's especially true when it comes to selling your house. The way your house looks from the street can make or break a sale. Buyers will often make a snap judgment based on the exterior before even walking through the front door. That's why it's important to focus on your home's curb appeal. Here are some tips to help you make your house look its best. Keep the yard and landscaping well maintained. Pressure wash the exterior and sidewalk. Add some potted plants or flowers near the front door. Make sure the front door is clean and in good condition. Add a fresh coat of paint to the exterior if needed. By focusing on your home's curb appeal, you'll be able to make a great first impression on potential buyers and increase your chances of getting top dollar for your home. H2, staging. H3, after potential buyers come through the front door, they will take a closer look at the inside of your home. This is where staging comes in. Staging is the process of making your home look as appealing as possible to potential buyers. Here are some tips for staging your home. Remove clutter and excess furniture to make the rooms look more spacious. Add some decorative touches, such as artwork or plants. Make sure each room has a clear purpose and is not used for storage. Keep the house clean and tidy at all times. Staging your home can help buyers envision themselves living there and can make your home stand out from others on the market. H2, pricing. H3, pricing your home correctly is crucial if you want to get top dollar for it. If you price your home too high, it may sit on the market for a long time, which can turn off potential buyers. Here are some tips for pricing your home. Look at comparable homes in your area that have sold recently. Consider the condition of your home and any upgrades or renovations you've made. Take into account the current market conditions in your area. By pricing your home correctly, you'll attract more potential buyers and increase your chances of getting top dollar for it. H2, negotiation. H3, once you receive an offer on your home, it's time to negotiate. Negotiation can be a tricky process, but with some preparation, you can increase your chances of getting a good deal. Here are some tips for negotiation. Be prepared to walk away if the offer is too low. Know your bottom line and don't be afraid to stick to it. Consider other factors besides price, such as closing date or contingencies. Work with a real estate agent to help you navigate the negotiation process. By being prepared for negotiation, you can get the best possible deal for your home. Outro. Well, that's it for our video on how to sell your house for top dollar. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're able to get the most money possible from the sale of your home. Remember, by focusing on curb appeal, staging, pricing, and negotiation, you can increase your chances of getting top dollar for your home. Thanks for watching.